Hey guys, so today is yet again another Louis Vuitton unboxing. Can you tell I'm obsessed? Yes, I'm obsessed. Not exactly sure why I decided to start doing unboxings on this channel of my luxury items, but here we are. So, of course, we have our beautiful box with our blue ribbon, and this item is the essential scarf, and it is in the colorway beige and rose. This scarf is retailed at $585 US. It is 100% wool, but it does feel super duper soft like cashmere. So I picked that up. The next item is an oldie but goodie. Everybody and their mama has this bag, but not a lot of people have it in this size. So I picked up the Neverfull size PM in the colorway Damier Bean, and the inside, of course, is cherry. I have no clue what it is about this bag, but I just needed this bag. I am a tote kind of girl. I have totes in every material you could ever think of. I have it. And of course, look at this SLG that comes with it. Super duper cute. It's a little stiff right now because, I haven't used it yet, but it'll open up. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to put in it, but it does come with the little strap that was hooked onto the inside of the bag, the D-ring on the inside. So of course I had to go ahead and attach this myself, but it was pretty easy. So here I am clipping the little pochette back onto the D-ring on the inside of the Neverfull so that it stays in there. And yeah, this is the bag. Oh my god, I just love it. I did try on the size in the store, and I was just like, no, this bag is swallowing me up, so I didn't even dare try the GM size. Here are some shots that I took in the sunlight so that you can see the detailing of the bag. Like I said before, everybody and their mama got this bag, so you probably have seen this bag 50 million times, but I just love the details on this bag. This one was, of course, made in France. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. This little keychain I did get off of Etsy. I will go ahead and link the seller down below in the description box. And if you were wondering about pricing, I paid $2,077.60 for this bag, and that is US dollars. I did purchase this in Pennsylvania at the King of Prussia location. Now let's get into the perfumes, colognes, fragrances, whatever you want to call them. The SA was nice enough to go ahead and add them to the bag for me, but yeah, no, I'm going to go into all of the scents individually and let you know what they smell like to me. Now, me personally, I will not be purchasing any of these fragrances at all. Over $200, over $300 for these? No, ma'am. So here's the first one that we're going to get into. I'm not going to try to pronounce it, so I'm just going to put it on the screen. It, to me, smells like a cologne. And it's one of the better smelling ones, but would I want my man to smell like this? Probably not. Now on to one of their best sellers, Ombre Nomad, which retails for $365 US. To me, it does smell good, but it is giving Mont Blanc Legend. Now, Mont Blanc right now on the Macy's website is retailing for $102. You get the cologne, the deodorant, and the travel size cologne. So if you really wanted this, go for the Mont Blanc Legend because it smells better. Now this one straight up stinks. I'm so sorry, but it's just giving me cooking spices. It smells like black pepper and curry. Like straight headache. This was bad. I was ready to throw this out my bedroom window. It smells terrible. This one is another popular one, Afternoon Swim. All of the YouTube girlies rave about this one, and I do see where Louis Vuitton was going with this. It smells like something Marc Jacobs would make, but there's something under it. It's something that smells terrible under it. I can't get with it. This one was a little different for me. It doesn't smell bad. City of Stars smells to me like, I want to say cotton candy and baby powder. It's very unique, but it's not something that I would personally wear. But it doesn't smell bad. This one is another better smelling one. It is something that I would wear. It's very sexy. A lot of my fragrances are super sexy fragrances. And again, this is something that I would wear, but paired with something else because it's missing something. It's giving, but I feel like they could have hit a little bit more with this one because it is a sexy fragrance. Last but not least, this one is giving a Bath and Body Works aquatic smelling body spray. It's not very strong at all. It's very soft. And yeah, I like it, but not for $280. So yeah, that was everything that I picked up from the Louis Vuitton King of Prussia location. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!